Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great Monday. So today is a Monday, October 26th, and I'm going to go over a few things with you to get us started for the day. So on Monday, you're going to be working on your Monday packet. So we have a few things that you're going to be doing. You're going to always do your ELA and your math. So you have your ELA and math page, and then you have your number of the day page. And then you're going to be working in your Cupcake Party story companion. So we're going to be reading the story called A Cupcake Party, and you're going to be working on the story companion. So we're going to be working with our spelling words this week that have the short U sound. The short U sound is such as in the word umbrella, or we also can use that word in the word run, us, sun, fun, bus, and but. So it is the short U sound, the sound. So you're also going to be working on your high frequency words, and you're going to draw a picture for each one of these words that is underlined here in the sentence. And then you are also going to be working, so after you listen to the story called The Cupcake Party, you are going to be writing what happens at the beginning of the story, what happens in the middle of the story, and what happens at the end of the story. You're also going to be telling me who are the main characters in the story. Who is the story about? Who are the main characters in the story? And the setting. Where did the story take place, and when does the story take place? All right. Another thing that you're going to be working on is this is somewhat fairly new. We did this at the beginning of the year. But we took it out after the first week or so because it proved to be quite a bit of a challenge with some of our kids that were just starting out in first grade. But we are now ready to go into our tic-tac-toe spelling. So here are our spelling words for the week. So the words are us, sun, but, fun, bus, run, put, give, take, and small. So what you're going to do is on every day in our schedule, you have something here underneath the ELA section of our schedule, and it says spelling tic-tac-toe. So you're going to be using this page for Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So for Monday, you'll be doing this from home, and Tuesday and Thursday, you will be doing it in class. Okay? So you're going to be picking one of these activities, and that's what you're going to do for the day. So for example, if you decided that you want to write your spelling words 3 times each, then you will take a piece of paper and you will write each word 3 times each. Or you can write your words and put them in a silly sentence. So you can pick one of these activities to do for Monday, and then you're going to have one activity for Tuesday in class and Thursday in class. But if you're a distance learner, you will be doing this activity from home. Okay, so you're going to be doing this activity on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Okay? All right, so that is what you are doing on Monday. I'll be uploading a video of our math lesson in just a short bit. Thank you.